Hi everyone, I am Christy Ellis and I'm a teaching artist at the Stark Museum of Art. Welcome to another episode of Art Quest at Home. We have got some fantastic ideas for this camp. We are going to make Model Magic chameleons in a variety of colors. You're also going to design a habitat for your own chameleon. We've got some really neat sketchbook activities also. We're going to be designing and drawing baskets. We're going to be drawing some funny looking chameleons. And we're going to be using the bag that your kit came in to make this really neat explorer's vest. I'm ready for a fun-filled week and I hope you are too. I can't wait to get started. See you soon.